Live here on my business page, DoitForMeInsurance.com, my personal profile. Hope everybody's doing well. If you're anything like me, working from home the last 3 weeks, you're probably running up the walls or whatnot. But I've actually been pretty busy here, and our job's actually considered essential. So yeah, a lot of people are dropping their health insurance these days as long as they can afford it, and it's getting tough. I'm getting a lot of questions from my business owners, and a lot of my individuals who pay premium saying, what kind of packages are available out there, in the way of helping me with my premiums. Healthcare.gov, for those that I have insured on the marketplace for individual health, they do have some provisions they put in there. You normally could go 90 days before you were terminated. I know with some carriers after 30 days your benefits might suffer, but I believe that's been extended. The president did announce that he's not going to allow for a special enrollment period, meaning those who are uninsured to buy insurance, but that doesn't mean that those who have lost a job or losing a job or getting laid off, that doesn't mean that they don't qualify if it's within 60 days of that loss of coverage, or some other life events or drastic income change. You may qualify, and my website here is to help you, DoitForMeInsurance.com. If you go to get insured, click health insurance, you can run a quote right there. And I work in most states, so you can run a quote and see the different options that are available to you. And I also do all kinds of insurance. Life insurance right now is pretty popular because people are concerned if something were to happen to them, what do they have to leave for their significant others and their their kids. So yeah, life insurance is huge right now too, and the process has been easy. So in my home state of Pennsylvania, we have a stay-at-home order, shelter in place. So what that means is, we are an essential business and we're allowed to, do our normal functions, but we're not allowed to see people. So we're not allowed to go and see clients. It's completely not allowed by the governor. But that doesn't mean we can't do everything on the phone. Everything I do is through my website, and it's also done, right over the phone, and that's kind of been, a lot of my clients have been doing that anyway, texting and stuff of that nature. But obviously we've been expanding that role. With the Medicare, it's a little more difficult, with prescription drug plans and Medicare Advantage plans. There's a little bit more red tape, but we have some means to do that. We have some ways to do that online and to really to make that kind of easy. So I hope everybody's okay. I can't see comments right now, but I will see them later. I can't see the comments because with my camera I'm on a couple different pages at once. It doesn't allow for comments. But yeah, I've just been hanging out here and playing my kid a little bit, just to keep my mind my mind sane here. It's been a long couple weeks, but I think it's good. The shelter in place. I think hopefully April will be the end of it, but we'll see here. And I have various different opinions on the whole COVID-19, but the bottom line is it never hurts to be cautious. It never hurts to make sure you have the right care for your family and for yourself. If you don't have health insurance, I can help you get health insurance still. United Healthcare offers 360 days of coverage in Pennsylvania, and they do cover a lot of the testing for COVID-19. There's some pre-existing conditions that it asks six basic medical questions, and as long as you can actually do the app or start to shop, if you go under Get Insured, you can do temporary insurance here, or under alternatives, I have a whole page for United, and that will show you the various different type of products. I like short-term medical plus Elite's my favorite here, because after you pay the deductible, they cover it 100%. It might be a little hard to see, but that's definitely my go-to product. And there's some other products too. And obviously, if you qualify for Affordable Care Act, Obamacare, we'll first exhaust that route too. See if you qualify, if the price makes sense for you. That does cover pre-existing conditions and everything right away. So short-term's not perfect, but yeah, if you're having a hard time, you need to try to cut the costs. It's an option that we can definitely look at. Now, I will say, try to maintain your your premium payments as much as you possibly can. If not, you can contact me, or we can contact the carriers. If you're a small business, there's some provisions out there. There's different kinds of loan programs and stuff. I have a rundown. I have a document I can send to you. One of our partners has an on-staff lawyer. He's fantastic, and he hosts a weekly meeting. He gives me all his minutes. So if anybody's interested in that, you can shoot me an email. It's my name, Joseph L. Covell, Covell @gmail.com. So Joseph L. Covell @gmail.com. And just say you want me to send that to you, and I'll absolutely send that to you so you can check it out. And yeah, I'm available. I'm working. I'm working, normal days, but you could pretty much call me or text me or email me anytime, and I'll usually get back to you, because there's not a lot to do when you're sheltered in. And I don't know if everybody else feels this way, but Netflix, I think, kind of has been dropping the ball. I mean, this is like, we're all quarantined. Netflix, like, you think this would be your time to shine, and where's the content you're releasing, Disney Plus, I mean, I don't know. So, yeah, I mean, that's just where I'm at. So hopefully everybody's staying safe and staying sane. And, we're going to do some more videos throughout the weeks here. I think we're going to do some basic, really look at this as an opportunity to, do some pieces that we've been looking to do for so long. So Robin and I are here to help you. We haven't killed each other yet. So have a good night. Be safe. Stay sane. And let me know if I can do anything to help you out. Joe Covell, DoitForMeInsurance.com. Thanks so much.